Welcome back to Educatopia, where we explore the fascinating world of biology.
In today's episode, we will be exploring the level of organization. So, let's dive right in.
Cells with a similar function are grouped together as tissues. For example, the muscle of your arm contains millions of similar muscle cells, all specialized for one function, which is contraction to move the arm bones. This is muscle tissue. However, a muscle also contains other tissues such as blood, nervous tissue, and epithelium, lining tissue. A collection of several tissues carrying out a particular function is called an organ. Plants also have tissues and organs. Leaves, roots, stem, and flowers are all plant organs. In animals, jobs are usually carried out by several different organs working together. This is called an organ system. For example, the digestive system consists of the gut along with glands such as the pancreas and gallbladder. The function of the whole system is to digest food and absorb the digested products into the blood. There are 7 main systems in the human body. These are the digestive system, gas exchange system, circulatory system, excretory system, nervous system, endocrine system, and reproductive system.
Thanks for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more content. Like,